Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to make this pretty puff crochet yo-yo. It's more like a puff flower, but it's made very differently. I'm going to show you how to make the flower as well as how to join them together so that you can use it in many different crochet projects. For this I'm using crochet yarn. You can use any crochet yarn, but the thicker the better. And I'm using crochet hook 3.5 millimeter and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. We begin with a magic circle and then we need to chain 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for this crochet yo-yo, we'll be making double, triple crochets. So for that, we need to yarn over 3 times. This is 1, 2, and 3. And now you insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now you yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So you will be pulling through 4 times. Now again, one more. You yarn over thrice. You insert your hook into this ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So this is how you work a double, triple crochet. Now you need to make 20 of these into this ring. I've done 2. So you need to go ahead and make 20. So that's 3, 4, 4. I've made 4. I'm going to go ahead and work 20 of these in this ring, and you can do that and meet me back. I've completed making 20 into the magic circle. Now you need to go ahead and work a slip stitch right on top of the chain 4 that we started with. So right on top, you work a slip stitch. Now you chain 2, 1, 2. You work 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Right next to this chain, you have a stitch here. You work 1 half double crochet into that. So for that, you yarn over, you insert your hook into that stitch, you pull out your yarn, you yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So that's your half double crochet. So now into the next one, you would be working a half double crochet, but you would not complete it. I'll show you how to do that because you need to work 2 of these together. So you yarn over, insert your hook, pull out your yarn. Now you have 3 loops. You yarn over, insert your hook into the next one, pull out your yarn. Now you have 5 loops. You yarn over, pull through all. So this is working 2 half double crochets together. I'll show you one more time. Now next 2 stitches, again you would be working 2 half double crochets together. So you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull out your yarn. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the next one, yarn over, pull out your yarn. Now you have 5 on your hook, 5 stitches, 5 loops on your hook. You yarn over, pull through all. So in the next stitches, all your stitches, you would be working 2 half double crochets together in all the stitches. So these are the next two. These are the next two. These next two. So you would be doing this for the rest of your row. So this helps in closing your puff from the other side. Make sure you get all the stitches. So we are left with the last two here of your row. You need to go ahead and do that. This is what it looks like on the other side. Now you need to go ahead and make a slip stitch in your first chain 2 that we made. You work a slip stitch, you work a chain, and you cut off your yarn. This is what your puff yo-yo would look like after you finished it. To join these puff yo-yos, you have to join them as you go. So you make one complete puff yo-yo and then the next one you join them when you're making the first row. I'll show you how that goes. You need to make your magic circle and chain 4. Then you work 5 of the double triple crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now what you do is your puff yo-yo, you need to keep them both facing up. So both right sides facing up, and you need to insert your hook into one of the spaces between the 2 triple crochets that you have. So any one space you can pick. These are the 2 triple crochets. You need to insert your hook from here like this. Okay, so you hold them both together. These are both the right sides facing up like this, and then you insert your hook through that. You pull out a yarn and work 1 single crochet like this. Now after you've done this, you complete your circle. You've made 5, so you have to do 15 more to complete 20. So you just continue working your double triple crochets into your circle till you have a total of 20 plus the first chain 4. I've completed my 20 double triple crochets and this is what it looks like. Now what you need to do is make a slip stitch in the chain 4 that we started with, right on top of it. Okay, and then you work a chain 2. Now in the very next space that you have here, after your chain 2, you work 1 half double crochet. This is the same thing that we've done earlier to make the puff yo-yo. We work 1 half double crochet in this space. Then we work 2 half double crochets together in all the stitches. You work 2 half double crochets together. Now we've reached the stitch that we've joined this puff yo-yo to. So here what you do is you go into this space. right into this, because you would not be able to go into this stitch here, so it would be easier to go into this space. So you can hold your puff like this and you work 2 half double crochets together. So that's 1 and that's 2 here. So you take one from here and the other one you continue with the next stitch like this. So you've joined it. So you have 1 here and 1 into the next stitch. Now after this you just need to continue with 2 half double crochets together for the rest of your row. I have completed joining the puffs. So this is what it looks like. At the end you just need to work your slip stitch as we've done earlier and cut off the yarn. So this is how you join it on one side. Now when you need to join more than one side, what you do is, if you're joining this one here, you join one here and then you can count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and make a join here. If you leave each 5 double triple crochets in between, you would get the exact space in each space here. So you just need to count 5 and join, then you count 5 and join. So this is how you go about it. That's all for today. This is how you join your puff yo-yos. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. Thank you.